We're on board the Majesty 140, and this is the first Majesty to ever be placed in the United States of America. We have a 100 and a 140 here now. They arrived here about 7 days ago, so they haven't been here very long. We're at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and yesterday we were nominated for Best Yacht in Show, and we found out at 5 p.m. yesterday that we won Best Yacht in the Show. The potential that Majesty has in the U.S. market is huge. The reception has been absolutely amazing. We have brokers interested in their clients. We have a lot of clients interested in buying. We were fortunate enough to sell the 100 already. I'm expecting lots of yachts from Majesty to be placed in the USA. We want, ultimately, I believe, that we can take a lot of market share. I would like to thank Gulfcraft, Majesty Yachts, and their partners for allowing us this opportunity. It's heartfelt. We're going to work very hard to make it a successful venture for the two of us.